How to use Google Merchant Center. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. This is HowToBoss. In today's video, we're going to show you how to use Google Merchant Center. So without further ado, let's click on our Google, type in Google Merchant right here, Merchant Center, click on that. And once you've clicked on that, by the way guys, Google Merchant is a powerful platform that allows you to upload your product data and showcase your products on various services such as Google Search, Google Shopping, and Google Ads. By using Google Merchant Center, you can reach a broader audience and drive more potential customers to your online store. And in this tutorial, we'll walk you through the steps to set up and use Google Merchant Center effectively. So right here, let's click on that. So once you click on Google Merchant, you need to sign in or sign up first. So let's sign up first because we don't have an account yet. So do you sell products online? Yes. Click on your store's website. So we don't have that yet. Do you have a brick and mortar store? So let's try in AXL right here. So we don't have an account yet, but let's go and read an article on how we can use Google Merchant. So here, how to use Google Merchant right there. So let's click on this one right here. So what is Google Merchant, guys? Google Merchant here is an online management tool that allows owners to retail and e-commerce business to upload and display their products across Google website and apps like Google Search, as we mentioned before. And benefits of integrating Google Merchant Center with WooCommerce: you can also add it to your WooCommerce, increase visibility for your products, help customers analyze your products, easy and campaign creation, simple performance, and tracking. So here, as you can see, Google listing ads right there. You can add it to WooCommerce website, connect your WordPress account. You can also connect your WordPress account to sell your products, connect your Google account to WooCommerce, and create a Merchant Center account right here. So configure your product listing. The setting you configure here will affect how Google display and products and who sees them, as you can see here. So right there, confirm store requirements to sign up, and the requirements say your store is live and accessible to all users. It has a complete and secure checkout process. Your refund policy and terms of service are visible on your online store, and your store's number and email address right there. Complete your campaign with paid ads. And let's go to this part right here. And that's it, guys, on how to use Google Merchant Center. By following the steps we've outlined in this video, you'll be able to upload your product data, manage your inventory, and showcase your products on Google's powerful platforms. And we hope you find this tutorial helpful and easy to follow. And if you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful e-commerce and marketing tutorials. And if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave them in the comments down below. And by the way guys, thanks for watching, and we will see you on the next video.